Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to edit the text editor with Elementor in WordPress. This is a fundamental skill that'll help you customize the look and feel of your website's content, giving you complete control over typography, formatting, and styling. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the Pages section and click on it. From there, select Add Page, which will create a new page for you to work with. Now here's where Elementor comes into play. Click on Edit with Elementor. This will launch the Elementor Editor interface, where all the magic happens. Once Elementor loads, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see the widget panel, which contains all the building blocks you can use to design your page. In this panel, locate the text editor widget. This is the tool that allows you to add and customize text content on your page. Click on it to add it to your workspace. Now that you have the text editor widget on your page, it's time to start customizing. To edit the text, you can apply basic formatting like bold, italic, or underline. But first, you need to highlight the text in the text box. Simply click and drag your cursor over the words you want to format. Once the text is highlighted, you'll see formatting icons appear. Click the B icon for bold, the I icon for italic, or the U icon for underline. These options help emphasize important parts of your content and make it more visually engaging. Next, let's dive into more advanced styling options. Look for the Style tab within the text editor settings. Here, you can really fine-tune the appearance of your text. Click the pencil button in the typography section. This opens up a whole range of customization options that'll let you control exactly how your text looks. In the Family section, you can choose the font that best matches your brand or design aesthetic. Click on Family, and a submenu will appear with various font options. Browse through and select the one you prefer. This is a great way to give your site a unique personality and stand out from generic templates. Now let's adjust the size of your text. You'll find a slider or input field that lets you increase or decrease the font size based on your desire. Play around with it until you find the perfect balance between readability and design. And don't forget about color. Scroll down to the text color section and choose what you prefer. Clicking on this will open a color picker, allowing you to select any shade that complements your overall page design. Once you're happy with all your edits, there's one crucial final step. Don't forget to click Save Draft beside the Publish button at the upper right of the page. This ensures all your changes are stored safely and you won't lose any of your hard work. And that's it, you've successfully edited the text editor with Elementor in WordPress. You now have the tools to create beautifully formatted, professional-looking content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.